Hi guys, in this video we will see how to convert vertical data into horizontal in Microsoft Excel. You can see this is the data in vertical position. Now we will change it horizontal or landscape mode. Simply select the data which you want to convert into horizontal, select it and go to the cell from which you want to set it horizontally. Simply select it, keep the cell active, right click on it and select paste spacer. A new window will pop-up window will open. Paste spacer. Here at the bottom of the page you will find transpose. Make the check against this option and click on OK, and you can see your vertical data is successfully converted into horizontal data. Simply you can easily convert your vertical data into horizontal in Microsoft Excel.